How to create credibility with your subscribers. Having credibility with your subscribers is absolutely critical to your success. If your subscribers don't trust you or don't believe you know what you're talking about, then they sure as heck aren't going to buy from you. If you want them to buy anything from you, then you have to make them trust you first. So how do you do that? There are two important ways to achieve trust and build credibility with your subscribers. One important way is to be congruent in everything you do and say. You can't say one thing in one email, then a few days later say something that contradicts that in another email. You also can't tell your list to do things a certain way, then you go and do something completely different. You need to be consistent and congruent in everything you say and do. People will spot the inconsistencies right away and it hurts your credibility and your trust levels significantly. The other important way you can build credibility with your subscribers is to overdeliver. Now that doesn't just mean providing more information, or more content, it also means providing better information and better content. It means giving people more value than they expect. What some successful marketers do is on their download pages, in addition to the product people bought from them, there are a few additional free gifts they give to people. These are unadvertised bonuses that provides more value than is expected. They don't have to do it, but they do. They overdeliver. Do you think you could do something like that as well? Just provide a few extra bonuses that are related to what people just bought or are looking to download. What you could also do when you tell people you will give them a free gift for opting into your list is to also give them 2 or 3 extra free gifts in the first email alone. Then you could go another extra mile and give them a few more over the next few days. So you promised to give them 1 free gift if they opt into your list, they got that, but they also got several additional free gifts without needing to take any further action. The key here is to make those other free gifts just as, or even more, valuable than the one they signed up to download. That's how you overdeliver, and that's how you build trust and create credibility with your subscribers. When you do that, your subscribers are going to look forward to your emails, and they're going to open up their wallets for you.